all the money I got! I'm the richest man in the world!
Hey, Penny, look! I'm the Monopoly guy! I'm even richer!
Why does the Monopoly guy have a pipe?
I just thought it looked cool!
Well, it looks stupid, just like your hair!
Your money looks stupid!
You guys okay?
Hey, what's your name?
I'm Alfonso Juan Espada Horatio. My friends call me Hector.
Well, good.
Sure. Then maybe we can get some chocolate milk or whatever.
Are you freaking serious right now?
Chocolate milk? That's for babies!
Don't underestimate the power of a bad boy and some chocolate milk.
Well, that was a waste of time.
Yeah, let's never fight over a girl again.
Yeah, you know what?